Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2015 Buick LaCrosse Leather Group, stock number Z9626A. 70,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, dark chocolate metallic in color. The LaCrosse is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. Keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. It's in the large car class, seats 5, leather interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors. Nice sized trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Removable cargo net, perfect for keeping smaller items secure. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This leather group has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora radio app. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual-zone automatic temperature control along with heated front seats. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this LaCrosse has a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 304 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon and a city average of 28 on the highway. And approximately 65% of tire tread left. For more information about this LaCrosse, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.